Mama smell it.
No, I can't sniff.
Mama smell it first.
Hold on. Open.
Wait. Alright, hold on now.
Open up.
Jesus, I'm gonna trust ya. Alright, ready. Ready.
Alright.
So you take so long.
But come and put it down.
What you put down?
No. Shh. Talk no second.
Alright guys. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And based on the title below, you already know what time it is. I'm so excited. So guys, we're going to be doing a blindfolded eating blindfolded challenge. So you gotta eat, but don't know where you eat, basically, for my Jamaican fans. I know I mostly speak patois, and sometimes people will message me like I don't understand what you're saying, and I am trying to reach a wide range of people on YouTube and stuff like that. But guys, forgive me. Sometimes I genuinely, it's not like I'm trying not to accommodate other people who are watching my channel, but it's just a thing. It's just a habit for me to talk in my Jamaican language because obviously that's what I'm used to. So forgive me, please. I really do try. Anyways, like I said, I'm very excited about this video. We're going to be doing a eating blindfolded challenge, and he decided that he wants to go first. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Yeah, some are done and thing, but I'm only at the top of my head because this is gonna be my blindfold when I'm my time.
What?
So nobody that done me.
Somebody,
alright?
I think it just started.
Eh?
I think somebody just started.
Mommy, winter just done. You say think somebody just start?
Yeah.
I always attack some foolishness. So anyways, guys, let's just run right into the video. Alright, so put on your blindfold. I like that look at though. You know, I've never actually worn anything like this or go outside like this because I always feel like a tam makes your head look big. My heart though. Anyways, so why you have the spoon in here and put on the spoon? It's not like it's your turn.
Is my wait.
No, I'm going to be giving you stuff to eat. That's what you said.
I don't mean it's my turn.
No, but you don't need to have the spoon. You're not feeding yourself. You don't get what I'm saying? Really? So, alright guys. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
You sure you're ready?
Come on, man.
Alright. Why y'all? I feel like y'all see.
I can't see my
He's
eyes.
peeping.
Shut. My eyes are closed.
You don't feel like you must see through that something there?
I can't see. My mind is shut.
Alright.
What you again?
You open your mouth.
No.
Open your mouth.
Is what I
Come. Why you turn away from the camera?
Oh,
Come. Are you too far? Come. Open your mouth.
No.
And I'm nothing for kill you.
Eh?
Come on. Come, yo. Yes, my time. Like.
No,
Come on. Jay, come on. No, you have to make the video. You have to make the video. That's cheating. Come on. Guys, wanna see what I'm gonna say? Come on. Watch him face. If you have TV, come to try him. Open your mouth. No, open your mouth.
No.
As long as you talk, open your mouth. Why you... Yo, open your mouth.
Alright.
Open your mouth.
Ah!
What is that?
You know what?
It's that simple. Jesus Christ. Give me a piece of that. Something there. Eh?
You have your own spoon.
No, I'm not using the spoon. A piece of the until me take up some coming on rest the thing on the table. Put it on the table. So that was peanut butter, guys. You create excitement and I go like the word like I ain't over like a peanut butter. Jesus, Father. Alright. What else me forgive? Jamie, you sure you're not peep?
Oh, your turn now. You give me one thing, you give one.
I say I do it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, take off your blindfolding. No, me I get nervous. Me not trust this. Me not trust this. Me not trust this. Me not like this. Cause I know you evil, you know.
Come on.
Oh, me not like this. Wait. All right.
Lock your eye then too.
My eye closed. But, Jane, please don't bother with the excitement and animosity and the string things, whatever. But even know more right now. Please, I beg you. I don't want to go to the bathroom. I don't have no diarrhea and them something there. I don't want to go leg on my organs.
I'm not getting serious.
Okay, so you're going to welcome peanut butter? I'm not trust this. I'm not trust this. I'm not trust this.
Oh, me about it.
Ooh! I'm not trust this.
Oh, me about it.
Wait, no? I'm smell it. I'm smell it.
No, I can't sniff.
I'm smell it first.
Come on. Oh, no.
Wait. Alright, hold on now.
Oh, no.
Jesus, I'm not trust you. Alright, ready? Ready.
Alright.
So you take so long.
But come and put it down.
What you put on?
No. Shh. Thought no say something now.
What me for say? Bring it come, wait there.
Say something. Say something wrong.
Why?
No, hey.
If you give me something, just give me why me need to say something. Don't shoot me down my throat and I may choke me.
No, should not let me shoot.
So,
Wait, no.
Huh?
Wait, no.
Oh, I'm for your pan. Me not bother do this. Me feel like you're up to something. Me not like this.
Come on, you ready? Hey! Don't touch me. Don't make me.
What is that? Mayonnaise? Mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise and salt.
And what?
Salt.
Lord! I'm one getting a spirit. I know something never tastes right about that. But tell us it. You look like evil. Alright? Come on, shut up.
What?
You see? But I never.
This is what it's called.
But I never did them wickedness set to you, but you just start. Put on your blindfold. Put on your blindfold. I'm not rest. I'm not rest till I feel better. I'm not rest till I feel better. I'm have to do about some evil things. You know, my thing say that really just go easy and give me something simple to eat like one crackers.
What do you even love crackers?
What if I could... Oh, wait, no matter crackers I'm trying?
You never did put crackers on the table.
But they put crackers on the table. Yes, my mama took up the tree. Oh, see, watch out. No, the crackers are right in front of me. I look for crackers and I ask for crackers. Tell me some of them mad.
That's a cookie.
I work hard to that, guys. Well, crackers, cookie, you know this matter.
No,
Your time now because me and you. Jam lock your eye them.
My eyes are closed.
Me just not trust them. I feel like you're cheat.
I cannot see you, man. Come on. My them look.
Alright. Who forgive him? Oh! No, I'm mega game. Jamie, eye them close?
Yes, you're not.
But I trust you, you know. The eye them close.
Mm-hmm.
When you see this all good something, come in evil, you know, I don't have evil intentions. I know wicked and them something there.
Come on, man.
Alright. So this is your spoon. Oh shit. Sorry. Why did I say spoon? That's kind of like giving away what I'm doing. Even though he doesn't know what I'm putting on the spoon. But still. Silly me. Like, ugh. Come on. Like, ugh.
Don't know, I'm ready.
So, my box. You always create. I'm gonna scratch me. You always create excitement when I hear your turn. So we are WPP. So you got the top in my mouth.
No, yeah.
So we. Yo, rush up, yo. Oh, me, why are you? Got somebody go through this every time.
Me can sniff it.
What you want? Sniff for?
Sniff it.
No, yeah, I say.
Get that
You want sniff? Watch out. Shut your eye now. Where was I sniff, Jaime?
Oh, you're giving me a sniff.
And you keep on put your face way over there, so I'm for reach you. Open your mouth.
Mm-mm.
Up. Jesus Christ. You know what about the video long and boring, you know?
Come on,
The people them want let the show and go home. The people want let the show and go home. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. What you feel? Alright, sit there. Take it up. Take up the paper. Yeah, that's it. Take it up. The people them want let the show and go home. So open your mouth. Open. Open your mouth. And stop nice. Open your mouth. This is freaking ridiculous. Jay, open your mouth now that I'm trying a blindfold more. What? But just feel like yeah, look, and I play a blind. Alright, open your mouth. Come down, man, the stuff them drop on the ground. Open your mouth. You're gonna make the video longer than the way it need for being, and the people them want to go. And then pay them money for the show. Then pay them money for the show. Open your mouth now. I don't want to push them out and make them drop.
Oh.
Oh. Jesus Christ. Mamma mia. What was that?
Blackberry.
A blackberry that wants to open? Mighty God. Mighty God. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not just saying time, please. No bother with the word for excitement.
Come
No bother with the excitement, man. I'm an idiot. In time of your time, you get a crew look up and now. You ever want to do some things? Just spare me.
Come on.
Ready back. My eye closed, I'm ready. Ready back. Okay.
Keep them shut.
Our Father who art up in heaven, hallowed be thy name, the kingdom.
Even though I want to say.
May I pray saying no wickedness to me, because I have enough already. Please. You see how I take long.
Because me a wipe off something.
We are wipe off that. You see something you come with now.
No, they're not too. Hey!
Why you do that? Something alright.
Hey!
Giant up nice on my head.
No,
No,
I'm not nice.
my old, my candle up nice on my head. Might take a got some blood pressure. So come now, anytime you take long, you always do something.
No, nothing. See what nothing.
I can't say.
Enough to see. 1, 2.
The kidneys can't done.
Over your mouth.
So why did that take so long? If you just take up something simple, you would take so long. So I know something you do.
It is simple. From your mouth. Don't touch me. Open your mouth. What are you touching for? Open your mouth now. What's say your mouth?
So my market mouth.
Open your mouth no man. Come on, push it.
No, man, don't push it on my
I'm gonna
throat.
drop something.
Alright.
Chew.
No! Work. Carrot and work.
You telling me?
Jam? Carrot and jam? What's up, my sugar level? I never eat jam like that. Carrot and jam? How is that the son of those son? Oh. Alright. Oh, well, that wasn't bad, but why the combination they do? Oh. Hold on, guys. I have to check an important message. Whoa. Carrot and jam. While me I think what me gonna give for eat. Oh. You always like give me some things. You always like give me some things for like some aftertaste in my mouth. Okay. Alright, no. Ready. And no matter what you do, I just can't pre evil towards you, you know. Oh, but I know I'm gonna do you.
You done?
Wait and lock your eye. More power. Where? Join me a look.
You don't love because I want to think I'm going to your move.
We just here.
Move, yeah.
Ready or
the
not?
same thing to move in.
No.
You can't
No, I'm
use
gonna
it.
use this ano. Here I come.
The one a spoon?
Wee! What? Why should I give you ins? Why should I give you ins, bruh?
Use it on a spoon.
Bruh.
If you did ask me, what I
Bruh, no, you didn't give me no ins. And you give me some ridiculous things to eat and taste. Open your mouth, bruh. Bruh, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. No. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Piece of salt 30.
You cheated. You cheated. You're a cheater.
We actually no more pause.
You're a cheater.
That's something.
Eh? You're a cheater. Jaim, please, I go down to the simple things them now. Too much, the madam and some got toilet, man.
They just soup salt in the mouth.
Yeah, because you're wicked. Please, give me something. Look, give me something nice to eat from the table. Look how much things there here. All right, ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Please, Jesus, Father,
Shut your hair.
grandmother. All right. And if you give me something simple, I suppose that takes so long.
It is simple. You can hear that? Simple food, man.
No, what I do? Open our what? The machine on the table.
Enough. Enough for them. Enough for them.
Ready? Yeah, oh, why you think them take long?
You know, wait, man.
Jesus.
Patience. The worst perfection. What me more?
It's my only option.
Only more.
What Derek would have said, much of my is already for you.
What me more, no, man?
What is cheese and cereal? So we have to mix them. Every time. This is say you're evil. I'm gonna do them something there to you. Jesus Christ. Alright. Give me tell me one like a biscuit, cause right now I'm hungry and all the way I go I'm hungry. You couldn't give me like a biscuit, like a cereal. Yeah, mix.
Just give cereal.
No, you're being evil. Hold on now. No, it's important. This is the last message. You know the people that want to leave the dance and go home. Alright, and the last one this is the last one because we don't want to make the video too long either. Look how much nice things are on the table. Mighty God. Oh, your time though? Come, put on your blindfold. I can't even.
Come on.
I don't have time to mix up all kind of things and do all kind of foolishness.
Alright, before it reaches 20.
Oh. This is the last one.
Tell us you can't use the same thing.
No, I'm not using the same thing. You tell me that already.
But check now, just put it.
Huh?
Come on.
I'm coming. We could just mix up this with some shit. Because you're wicked, you know. You're wicked. Some of us do some things.
Yeah, okay, we know this with something already and we do this.
Something alright, so hold on. Oh, alright then. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. You ready for open your mouth? This is the last one, because we don't want to drop the dance too long either. Why you lift up your feet, your thing?
No, I look for my thing. Come on.
Open your mouth. Ah.
No.
Bruh. Open your mouth. Shit, man. See? Jesus. I'm not even getting do no wickedness to you. I'm sorry, guys. This is just important. This is just important. The last one, because I'm tell that you and the mix up things that way I give me like you want me to tell each. Alright. So what is if I eat my things them?
The news already.
Them what?
The news already.
What could I cut this? Yo. Alright, my turn. I was done. I don't want to make the video too long. My turn, I'm done. And please, Chucky, please. Mighty God. Ready. Jane, please. You can't even, I'm not enjoying nothing from the start, because pay things here do. Give me back one biscuit.
Yeah, get a biscuit.
No, me hear ya pull something.
I'm not pulling nothing.
Like I keep saying, you would not dead so long if you give me something simple to eat. That's damn evil.
It's something simple.
No, it's not. Yeah, mix up things.
No, mix up nothing.
Do ya do? Do you eat telephone? Just do you want to do?
Ready?
Like you want to do some wickedness for someone lick them when you say yeah, just do you want to?
You're right.
Yeah, man, I know. Do you want to? Do you want to now?
See, drink your juice. Well, I'm trying to that was drink. Not touch it. Open your mouth. As a matter of fact, hold it. Not drink it. Watch your respect. Drink the juice, no?
Oh, okay.
Drink the juice.
You nasty! You nasty! I'm gonna be able to drink none, but just the thought of it, like you. Why would you do that? Just I think about him and night, like will you put yogurt in the juice?
Yeah.
You know what? Come like it's stuck in my throat.
No, the video done like that.
You know what if you give no, I'm not doing more because I'm done because I can't bother with them something here. When we come up with the idea for do that video here, you know, I did think twice about it, you know. I know I never did for do it because I know some if I go anyways, I'm done. Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And you can also give us recommendations as take of videos that you would like to see also. I don't know if I think about it, it's like the tea is stuck in my throat.
No, okay.
What you want them up? It's so crazy.